I will talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Talkie app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down here, you click on this sign down here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do, you just go here above this sign, click on it. So when you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. So then you come here to switch image during voice call, clicking this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That means switch image during voice call disable with us now. So that's all you have to do. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.